Born in the heart of Alsatian history, the Strasbourg Christmas Market has crossed the centuries without ever losing its magic. Today, I'm taking you on a full and immersive tour of the Christmas market, one of the oldest and most iconic in Europe. We're going to explore all the different markets together, around the cathedral, in the Carré d'Or, in La Petite France, at the foot of the great Christmas tree. So get ready. This will be a 100% magical journey. We start, of course, with the historical heart of the city, the Cathedral Square and Chateau Square. Everything here feels enchanting. The decorated facades, the smell of mulled wine, the glowing Christmas trees, and especially the incredible view of the Strasbourg Cathedral. It's easily one of the most photogenic places in the whole market. You'll find lots of local crafts, traditional wooden ornaments, and some of the most iconic stands in Strasbourg. And since we're right next to it, a visit to the Strasbourg Christmas Market wouldn't be complete without stepping inside the cathedral. Inside, the atmosphere completely changes. The lights and noise of the market fade away, replaced by a calm, almost mystical ambiance. The giant stained glass windows take on a golden winter glow, and the astronomical clock, a masterpiece from the 16th century, is as impressive as ever. Take a moment to soak in this monumental silence. It's a striking contrast with the lively streets outside. And for the bravest visitors, I highly recommend climbing up to the cathedral platform. After about 330 steps, yes, your legs will feel it, the reward is incredible. A panoramic view over the entire old town, the rooftops of the historic houses, the illuminated markets, and even the Black Forest on a clear day. It's one of the most beautiful viewpoints in Strasbourg, and a truly unique Christmas moment. Just a few minutes walk away, the Carré d'Or market is known for its historic charm, elegance, and traditional atmosphere. Wander through the nearby streets, where pastry chefs, chocolatiers, bakers, and cheesemongers display their finest creations. Let yourself be charmed by the illuminated shop fronts and the fairy tale decorations of the district. Next, we arrive at the Chrìstkìndelsmärik, the Alsatian name for the historic Christmas market on Place Broglie. First held in 1570, it is one of the oldest in Europe and long remained the only one in France. After moving several times throughout the city, the Cathedral Square, Chateau Square, Kléber Square, it finally settled on Place Broglie in 1871. Here you'll find everything: ornaments, gift ideas, bredel cookies, tarte flambée. It's one of the most vibrant and complete markets in Strasbourg. A visit to Strasbourg at Christmas wouldn't be complete without stopping by the great Christmas tree on Place Kléber. It is truly the icon of the season, over 30 meters tall and decorated differently each year. At the heart of the city, Place Kléber brings together everything that makes Strasbourg the capital of Christmas: solidarity, magic, craftsmanship, and a warm community spirit. At the foot of the tree is the village of sharing, where over 110 associations take turns promoting values of solidarity, fraternity, and humanism in the spirit of Christmas. The atmosphere here is very family-friendly. Many people come simply to admire the tree, take photos, or warm up with a hot chocolate. Next stop, Quai des Délices. This market is dedicated to local gastronomy. Alsace wine, cheeses, foie gras, sweet treats. It's paradise for food lovers. On the terrace of the Palais Rohan, you can taste wines from local vineyards, enjoy gourmet creations, and try traditional bredel baked by local artisans. Just next door, on the Fish Market Square, continue the tasting with savory specialties, craft beers, and other delicious surprises. If you want to sample authentic regional products, this is the place to go. Now we head to one of the most charming districts of Strasbourg, La Petite France. This area is magical all year long, with its half-timbered houses, cobblestone streets along the River Ill, a picturesque turning bridge, and a lock where you can watch the boats pass by. The markets on Benjamin Zick Square and St. Thomas Square are perfect if you're looking for something more authentic and less touristy. We continue with the irreducible Small Alsatian Producers, a group of passionate and dedicated artisans offering 100% local products. You'll find artisanal jams, hot apple juice, chocolate in every form, bredel cookies, delicious Alsace wines, and many other wonders. It's one of the best places to buy a real Alsatian souvenir, handmade, authentic, far from mass-produced items. And finally, we finish with the off-market on Grimisen Square. This is Strasbourg's alternative market, more eco-friendly, more creative, more modern. It's where locals go to escape the crowds. With shipping containers as stalls and geodome structures, it brings together local creators and ethical businesses focused on sustainability. Vintage furniture, thrifted and upcycled clothes, handmade crafts, books, secondhand toys, organic local food. Here, everything is unique and responsible, a fascinating contrast with the traditional markets, and a great way to discover another side of Strasbourg. And that's it for this complete tour of the Strasbourg Christmas Market. I hope you enjoyed this walk and that it made you want to experience this magical atmosphere in person. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. And tell me, which market was your favorite? See you soon for another adventure.